everyone, I am Sudhanshu and I welcome you all to my channel. Here we will be discussing a lot of things related to science and technology: drones, 3D printing, space technology, software development, electronics, and many things like this. We'll be also exploring many events in like IIT and all. So it will be quite a fun kind of video. You'll be learning a lot and exploring a lot while having fun. So I welcome you all to my channel, and this is the introduction of the channel. So this is all that I had to say in this video, but in later videos you'll be watching many videos related to IIT Guwahati and all, which we will be going after a few days. So stay tuned for that.